Hey, what's up guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. The video we're about to show you is from last weekend's National Boogie Van Day celebration at the Whittier Narrows here in California. We know a lot of you guys celebrated that day on your own and all around the world, and it looked really awesome, and man, one day I'd like to go to each and every one of those. For now, this is what we got. Now we have one chunk of footage is basically what we got. And we're not really sure how this happened, but the video could be better. Anyway, you'll see. It's going to be obvious. We went to the camera guys that we had filming that day, and we asked them what happened, and this is what they had to say. Hey guys, so you know, what happened with the footage? Okay, so you don't know anything either? Nope, no idea. Okay, well, that says it right there. Nobody knows anything. All we know is that the footage looks like this, and this is what we got to work with. Thanks for checking this one out, guys. We're going to do better in the future. Shit happens. What are we supposed to do? Anyway, if you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. Helps grow the channel for you guys. And tell a friend, hit that like button, ring that bell, all that jazz. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Later. What's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. Well, National Boogie Van Day is here. It's getting towards the end of the day. It's been a real busy day, so I'm just not getting around to doing this. But here we do a time lapse walking through all the vans that are still here, and you guys can check them out. I think we had over 100 count of vans today, which is rad. They're doing the tug of war right now, so we're going to try to get some of this stuff done. So let's check it out. Okay guys, and that was a quick walkthrough here of National Boogie Van Day at the Lake at Whittier Narrows in Southern California. Over 100 vans, really good turnout. Can't believe it was that good. It was way better than the past years, and it just keeps growing. So if you celebrate a National Boogie Van Day, show us what you got. Drop us a link, send us a message, something like that. If you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow the channel. Appreciate it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.